Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can do an image search on Google. So if you open Google Chrome and you want to search something but you don't know the name but you only have the picture, for example, you can do the image search by doing this. So here at the Google, you just need to click on the camera icon in here in the search column. Then there are two options that you can use. So you can search with your camera, or you can also search the by using the picture that is in your gallery. So I'm going to use the picture on my gallery first, for example this one, and then just click on the image and Google Lens will automatically find the similar result or similar things with your picture like this. Okay, so it's pretty accurate, I think. So that's how you can use the picture. But if you want to use your camera, you can just click on search in here, search with camera, and then go to the things that you want to search. For example, this one, just click on this magnifying glass icon at the center, and Google Lens will match your search, and here are the results. Okay, so that's pretty easy, and I think that's a tutorial for me. I hope this will be helpful, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and click on thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.